How to find your Facebook Messenger link. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to find your Facebook Messenger link. So in order to locate the following link, you want to make sure to update the Messenger application to the latest version. So head over to your respective app store. On the search bar, type in Messenger and make sure that the application is completely up to date. So after the app is completely updated, you want to click open and log into your account. So once logged in, what next you need is click on the initials or the menu bar from the bottom right corner of your screen. And when you go to this section here, you'll be able to find username. So click that out. After you click on the username right over here, so then click on the settings right on this page, after which, and there you have these username. So this is your link. You could go and click on the copy button, and now you could go ahead and paste it on your Facebook timeline. So this is how you'll be able to find your Facebook Messenger link. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.